Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into My Freedom Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open a preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in mylogin.freedommortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now find yourself in the login page for Freedom Mortgage, where you'll need to enter your email address and then your password. If you don't have an account yet for Freedom Mortgage, you can create one by clicking on Create My Account on the right hand side. For existing accounts, type in your email associated with Freedom Mortgage. On the next field, type in your account's password. If you don't remember your email or your password, click on the Forgot Email or Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Login, and then you will be logged into your Freedom Mortgage account online. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.